Still living it today, but you don't know what tomorrow brings. Still in this crazy world, people dying like flies every day. You read about it in the news, but you don't believe it. You wouldn't know about it. And then man in the lamp black coat knocks on your door. Cause Christmas meeting, that's what I live.
Good evening, everyone. Most of the time, anytime I publish, security-related informations, a lot of people think that I'm trying to politicize it. Oh, this guy is trying to play politics and so on and so forth. But that is not the true story. I am happy that many news media are beginning to take interest of what is happening in Nigeria. Today, I saw some news from the America, the United Kingdom, and also so many news media in Nigeria like Vanguard, Shara Reporters, Global News Report, and so on and so forth. What are they reporting? They are reporting the number of people who have passed on. I mean people who have died since Tinubu assumed office as the president. Mind you, they are not talking about the people that died during Muhammadu Buhari's administration. Now, before we go into that details, I want us to look into this report. Now, you have these casualties that 14,200 to 14,400 military and civilian deaths during the war in Donbass, and up to 500,000 estimated casualties during the Russian invasion of Ukraine. Now, what information I'm getting from Wikipedia is that about 14,200, 14,400, these are the number of people who have died since Russia and Ukraine war, started. But is it not insane that we are having just only Tinubu's administration? Now, let me take you to the report that is trending. Now, this is the report that is trending today. This one is from Shara Reporters, and it reads, report says over 13,000 Nigerians killed, 9,200 adopted in Tinubu 15-month administration. 13,000 plus 9,200. Look at the calculation for yourself. You are talking about approximately 23,000 people who have died and people who have been adopted since Tinubu assumed office. You now see the reason why I prioritize the news about insecurity going on in Nigeria, because if you do not say it, people won't understand the gravity of what is going on. And that is not enough. You see, Nigeria will lack ability to count some things, ability to organize statistical data and use it to pass information. You can't tell me that this number they give is correct, and I will tell you why. The reason why is because most of the villages, the rural areas, things that are going on there, people hardly report about it. So how would they know? How would they know? Most of the information I report here, things going on in the villages, nobody will go there and count the people who are going on. And mind you again, this insecurity that is ravaging Nigeria, it begins from the village. So it is inside the villages that is happening most, not inside the town. Most of these news and data are from the ones that we are able to report. I'm just trying to connect dots so that you will understand the gravity of what I'm talking about. Now, let's go through this article. It was written today being September 7, 2024. And it reads, a recent report has revealed that no fewer than 13,346 people have been killed and 9,207 adopted nationwide since President Bola Tinubu assumed office on May 29, 2023. That is outrageous. Now it continues. The report stated that the increase in violence crimes affecting 667 out of 774 local governments. Do you understand what that means? The report stated that the increase in violence crimes affecting 667 out of 774 local government. That is to say that 90% or 80% of Nigeria is on that stage. That is what the report says. Now, local government areas in the country is linked to terrorism, banditry, farmer-herder conflicts, and other social disturbances. The report by Beacon Consulting, a firm specializing in security risk management, stated that between May and December 2023, 5,802 were killed, while 2,754 were kidnapped. That is just from May to December. May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, within the period of 8 months. This is insane. The article continues. According to the report, the situation deteriorated further in 2024 with 7,544 deaths and 6,453 adoptions reported from January to September. That is only this year, approximately 8,000 people and 8,000 people have been killed and approximately 7,000 have been adopted. And The countries that the world are knapping that, oh, these people are fighting war, like Gaza and Israel, Ukraine and Russia, when you join them together, their data is not up to what is happening in Nigeria, even though they are now counting our own very well. Now, experts are increasingly concerned about the persistent security challenges and are calling for more decisive measure from President Tinubu. Person when say no go feel fighting security, say they go buy him. Now people won't make it come fighting security. Anyway, the article continues. The security crisis is severe. Security analyst Nnamdi told Punch, adding that economic hardship has exacerbated the problem, adding to an already critical situation. During a security and peace summit hosted by the Northwest Governors Forum in Katsina State in July, President Tinubu characterized the ongoing insecurity, particularly in the Northwest, as inherited security compromises. He said that the current banditry and insurgency issue were partly due to historical grievances of conflict-affected communities. Despite these insights, experts argue that a more effective strategy is needed. Chief stressed the importance of securing Nigerian borders, stating national security involves effectively protecting your borders. The Northeast and Northwest borders need better control to prevent foreign elements from destabilizing local communities. Reviewing the President Tinubu government approach since taking office, Chief noted some sources such as the return of displaced persons to Borno State. However, he pointed out that insurgents are adapting by moving their operations to new areas in the same Borno State too. Security experts Colonel Yomi Dare also highlighted the impact of economic hardship and corruption on the security crisis. Economic difficulties have worsened the situation, compounding an already derailed predicament, he added. The end of the article. Now, our duty, what is required of us, is just two things. There are two things. One is to defend yourself. Two is to raise the alarm of what is happening, because if it has not affected you, don't think it is not happening or it will not affect somebody. So we cannot continue to keep quiet while people are dying like chicken, people are dying like flies. You see the news everywhere. We experience it by ourselves. We are seeing our neighbors being adopted and massacred like chicken and so on and so forth. The time is now. For me, I think people should continue to create the awareness, because it is only the awareness that will make, many people to witness what is going on, and also just both the international community, everybody must be aware of what is going on. That is the first point. Let people be aware, because as far as I'm concerned, only few people are aware of what is going on in Nigeria, and that is insane. That is sad. It should not be so. There is no reason for somebody, also for some persons to be dying. Then others will think that, oh, this nation, they are just passing economic challenges. See, hunger when they Nigeria, it not rich people when they buy. A lot of people are dying. So hunger and inflation is just a primary thing, but this insecurity is the first thing. Insecurity, that is the first thing that is ravaging this country. And I think if we do not raise an alarm now, it's going to be a very, pathetic something that will continue. Because as I used to say, the thing is just going up every day, going up. Just go and fact check everything I said. Go to Google, go to so many news media, try to verify what is going on. It's so pathetic.
But you don't know what tomorrow brings. Still in this crazy world, people dying like flies every day. You read about it in the news, but you don't believe it. You only know about it when the man in the lamp black coat knocks on your door. Cause Christ is meeting us with a living.